Hey Divi Nation, thank you for joining us in the next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away brand new free Divi Layout Packs from our design team to you. This time around, Kenny and his team have created a beautiful sushi restaurant layout pack, and this layout pack will provide you with everything your website needs to get up and running in just a few clicks. Here's how to use it. Alright, so let's take a quick look at the sushi restaurant layout pack. So this is the overall look and feel that you can expect from it. You can definitely notice that it's very unique and it has high quality images included, which you are free to use without any restrictions. And this is just a very pleasant layout pack which you can use for any kind of restaurant website you build. So if you want to lay your hands on this layout pack, you can go to elegantthemes.com/layouts. And over here you can find all of the different layout packs that come with Divi for free. So you're free to combine different layouts from different layout packs, or you can scroll down until you come across the most recent layout pack, being the sushi restaurant layout pack. So if you select a layout of your choice, you will see that it is available in Divi for free, and you can view the live demo by clicking on the blue button. Now this will redirect you to a live website where you can go ahead and discover all of the different layouts for yourself without actually installing them on your website first. So say for instance, you really like the landing page and you want to get started with it on your own website. You can go back to your WordPress website, go to your WordPress dashboard, go to Pages, Add New, give your page a title, publish the page, and enable the Divi Builder. Now when building a new page, you will get three options. You can start building from scratch, choose a pre-made layout, or clone an existing page. We're going to browse through our layouts by clicking on the purple item. And over here we have all of our different layout packs again, so go ahead and scroll down until you come across the sushi restaurant layout pack. Click on it, select your layout of choice, and click on the green button that says use this layout. So as you can notice, this takes a little to no time for it to upload to your page and change all of the content, and from that point on you can start modifying everything to make your page ready to go live. So of course you can modify written content that comes with certain modules, but you can also use Divi's built-in options and efficiency features to make changes throughout your entire page design. So say for instance you want to change this font that's being used, you can go to the heading text settings over here. And over here you can find the font that's being used. You can right click, click on find and replace, and you can replace this font within this page with another font of your choice. So let's just pick Montserrat for instance, and then make sure that you tick off the box that says replace all font values within every option type, not limited to heading font, to make sure that all of the text and all of the modules are covered, and click on replace. So as you can notice, this takes a little to no time for it to change throughout your entire page design, and you can basically do that for each and every design option for each and every element and create stunning web design with Divi. Well, that was all for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and we hope that you're enjoying this ongoing Divi Design Initiative where we try to put something extra into your design toolbox each and every week. We're sure you don't want to miss a single giveaway, so make sure that you subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and of course make sure that you like our Facebook page so you'll get a notification every time we have something new for you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.